welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a spicy chocolate milk simmered chicken. This is a recipe I ran across a couple of months ago. I thought it sounded very intriguing, so I thought we would give it a try today. The ingredients are very simple. All we need are about 1.5 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, 1 cup of chocolate milk, 2 tablespoons of an ancho chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 jalapenos that I've took the stem off of and then just split them down the middle. And those are all the ingredients. So let's get moved over to the stove and we'll start bringing this dish together. To start this, we're going to add our chocolate milk into the skillet. I've already gone ahead and started allowing this to warm up on the stove. And I'm going to whisk in my salt and ancho chili powder. Now that I have those whisked together, I'm going to go ahead and drop my chicken pieces in. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat down since it's already come to a boil. And I did go ahead and flip my chicken pieces around in that chocolate milk and seasonings. Last thing we need to do is nestle our jalapeno slices in between our chicken. Now that I have all my jalapeno pieces in and this has already come up to a boil, all I need to do is allow this to sit here and simmer for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the chicken is tender and it's completely cooked through. The spicy chocolate milk simmered chicken is done, and I did allow it to cook for closer to an hour. I wanted to make sure it got cooked completely through, and that also allowed time for that chocolate milk to kind of reduce and thicken up a little bit and form a lovely sauce. It smells absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to dive in here and give it a try. I am serving it on top of some rice tonight, but you could certainly use some quinoa or maybe even some butter noodles if you wanted to. I am definitely excited for this. This dish is absolutely incredible. The chicken is just melt in your mouth, tender. It falls right off of the bone. It is not overly sweet, which is something I was afraid of with the chocolate milk, but it pairs so beautifully with the spices that we added into it, and they kind of help to balance out that sweetness. The heat is not too spicy. It just leaves a pleasant little burn in your mouth. Makes you know you did eat something hot, but it's not going to kill you. Will I be making this dish again? 100% yes, and I definitely recommend that you guys give it a try too. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.